If you are not using GoHighlevel to make money online, you are seriously missing out on one of the best opportunities of the next 5 to 10 years. So I just got back from the GoHighlevel Summit and I am now more bullish on GoHighlevel than I ever was before. And that's a pretty strong statement to make because I was already super bullish on GoHighlevel. But after seeing what GoHighlevel just released and also what they have planned, I am now more bullish than ever and I am going all in on GoHighlevel. And if you don't know what the GoHighlevel Summit is, it's basically just like this networking event that they host every single year. You can go, network, meet the people at GoHighlevel, and just meet other people in the marketing space. They have speakers come out, they do events and things like that. I was actually speaking on the affiliate panel last year, and this year I actually spoke at a new day that they do at the end of the summit called Affiliate Day, where they host kind of just a day just for affiliates. Last year's summit was already a really good experience, and that was kind of my first big networking event for a company like this that I've went to. But this year, I was blown away by like the progress that they've made and the amount GoHighlevel has grown from last year to this year. Something I think GoHighlevel is doing so spot on right now is really leaning into AI. They released so many new AI features, one of which is literally an AI employee. They've created an all-in-one AI tool that can answer phone calls, respond to customers, gather information from customers, and just fully interact almost like a receptionist, but a fully AI version of that receptionist that we as GoHighlevel users can take and resell to small local businesses to essentially, like I said, replace a receptionist. And we can charge $97 a month, $297 a month, $497 a month for that. And that's going to be exponentially cheaper than them having to hire an actual person to work as a receptionist. There's also just so many other AI features that they've been working on, like funnel AI. You can basically use AI to build an entire website or marketing funnel. So that's another thing that's extremely valuable that we can resell to local business owners. And there's so many other AI features that they keep working on, improving, and adding more of, which is really important because right now AI is on the uptrend and there's a lot of money to be made utilizing AI, and GoHighlevel is allowing us to do that very, very easily. With all these different improvements and add-ons that they're making in the AI side of things, it gives us so much opportunity to make more money because right now AI is blowing up. More and more small businesses are wanting to use AI in their business and wanting to implement all of these different things. And GoHighlevel is that all-in-one tool that has anything a business could possibly want. And they're just giving us more and more ammunition to be able to offer to these business owners. And I believe right now we are still at the very beginning of businesses adopting and using AI. So being at the forefront right now and getting ahead of the curve will give you serious opportunity for growth. And as GoHighlevel continues to lean into all these AI features, they are really just blowing past all of their competition. There's no other softwares similar to GoHighlevel that compare in any way. They just got a ton of venture capital funding. So they got about 60 million, I believe, of venture capital funding that they are dumping right back into development, which is allowing them to just blow past the competition. None of the other softwares out there that are in the same category really even compare at all. They don't come close. It's not even funny. And one of the things that really put this into perspective for me and why I think you should get into GoHighlevel now to give yourself a massive advantage in getting ahead of the competition is when you compare GoHighlevel's main competitor, HubSpot, to GoHighlevel. So you probably heard of HubSpot before. It's just a really big CRM company that a lot of other businesses use right now. I personally believe GoHighlevel is far better than HubSpot. But right now, if you look at HubSpot, it's been around for a very long time and they're a very, very big company. Their market cap is around $27 billion, 27 billion with a B. When you compare that to GoHighlevel, GoHighlevel is a private company. They're not even public. They just raised money, like I was saying earlier. They raised about $60 million at a valuation of maybe about $1 billion. So their company is valued at maybe about $1 billion. I'm not exactly sure of the exact valuation. I'm just kind of estimating. But GoHighlevel is valued at $1 billion. HubSpot is valued at $27 billion. So HubSpot is 27 times bigger than GoHighlevel. So that means GoHighlevel has a serious amount of room to grow and a serious amount of opportunity. And I believe they are going to, in the long run, absolutely blow HubSpot out of the water. After going to the summit, seeing their vision, seeing what they had planned, I have 100% confidence that GoHighlevel is going to absolutely blow HubSpot out of the water. And I'm extremely, extremely bullish. So just that perspective, GoHighlevel already can do a 27x. There's so much room for growth. So getting in now, you have opportunity to at least minimum 27x. They are doing everything right, and they're providing us with all the tools and opportunity that we need to take their software, go out into our local communities, and resell their platform. And another really key indicator that shows me that GoHighlevel really is getting a ton of traction. So I was talking to one of my good friends that I met at last year's summit. I was talking to him this year, and I can't say who it was, but he actually exited his SaaS company. He exited his GoHighlevel SaaS company for a multiple of 5x. So if you don't know how exit multiples work, when you build a company and sell it, you can sell that company for a 5x multiple, a 10x multiple of what it brings in a year. And I thought previously, because our whole business is built on GoHighlevel, my SaaS agency, your SaaS agency, anyone's agency, because it's built on GoHighlevel, I had been told that you can't get a big multiple and you can't actually sell a GoHighlevel agency. I always thought you could, maybe for a lower multiple, but after talking to my friend, he sold his GoHighlevel agency for a 5x multiple, 5 times what it was making in a year, which shows me that GoHighlevel is getting enough traction where it is viewed as a real asset, a real company. Even though it's hosted on GoHighlevel, even though we're just white labeling GoHighlevel, you can build an agency and resell it for a multiple, and that multiple is only going to get higher as GoHighlevel gains more and more traction. So another reason why you need to be getting into GoHighlevel now. There's something called first movers advantage. When you get into something super, super early, you have a massive advantage, and it gives you the momentum to move forward quicker than if you were to wait later. Once it already gains traction and popularity, it's going to be much harder to grow because there's so much more competition. But we're in a point right now, there is little to no competition. You can start this and just crush out the gate. GoHighlevel is providing us with all the tools we need. They're providing us with all the opportunity. All you need to do is sell it. That's all you need to do. You need to go out there to local businesses in your local area and just resell it. Show them the software, show them how valuable it is, and resell it. That's why you need to get in now. If you wait around, more and more people are going to start to realize this opportunity is really good, and then it's going to be much harder to start and scale your business. So if you're kind of thinking about getting into GoHighlevel SaaS, or you're kind of balancing it between other models, you're not sure what to do, maybe you're thinking about drop shipping or some other model, I promise you, get into the GoHighlevel space. It completely changed my life. I know it can change your life too. Please, if you're thinking about any other models, get into GoHighlevel. If you want to learn how to do this, I made a free guide on how to get started. I have a ton of other videos on my channel that go over how to get started and how to do this. And I am going to be putting out so much more content for you guys to learn how to not only start, but also scale. All the tips and tricks that I learned along the way of starting and scaling my agency and everything else like that. So definitely check out some of the other videos on my channel. Take action now. Don't wait around. Don't sit around. Don't watch more videos. Do it now. And if you like these types of videos, drop a comment. Let me know what you guys want to see. I am going to be putting out a ton of content. I want to put out content that you guys want to watch. If you like these raw style videos, let me know. Drop a like, sub. But other than that, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one.